Welcome back. And today we're in Iloilo City.
Wow! Yay! Hi, Star! We're in Iloilo City and we are on Esplanade. Wow! What? Buildings? Yeah. Yeah, there's a cat there. Wow. What? Yeah, there's someone fishing there. Do you want to fish here? You just need to bring your own, what do you call that? Fishing rod, yeah. Let's see, let's go there. Go. I bet Star wants to fish here. Where have you been? You have a lot of papers. Have a Star? Oh, look at this. You wanna march? Go, march. Yeah, they're like an army. There are cats there. Let's go. We were shocked, right? Because right behind our table is this. Oh my god. Hello. Oh, so cute. Oh. Look at them. Hello. 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 Hala, bakit may mga ano siya? What's on your body? What are those things? Hello. Star, look at her. She's staring at me. At sobrang taba niya, B. We're going to see the cats.
I see one cat.
The first. Christmas star. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god, so cute. Let's go here first. Kamukha ni ano? Hello, ni Gray. They look like Gray. Oh my god, this one is cute. Hello. This looks like Gray, pero ibang color lang. Oh, cute. Hello. Oh my god. Namugal isa na dyan. Let's go. Let's go here. Hello.
Yes.
Love it. They look like, ayun, dami-dami na niya. They have a lot there. Oh, so cute. Ito. Nag-feeding sila.
Stella. Hello. Hello.
Kaliko.
Hey.
Oh.
Hello.
Sorry. Oh, there's one there. Hindi ko siya nakita kanina.
Hello. You're so cute.
Cute! Nagpapamatsyag sila actually. Oh, yes? Yes, what are you doing? Ginger. Ginger. This one is cute. Hello. Why are you not moving? You try. Oh, look at the piece of it. It looks like a fox. It looks like a fox, girl. What? Hello. Ito maldita. Ito cute din, oh. Hello, boy. They're so cute. What? Oh, nakaliko. Hello. Oh my gosh. It's their vitamins day. Hello. Starro, I already have a pet here.
What?
How about you? So cute, so fluffy. You try. That's so cute. Okay, you too. Toink. She's so cute. What are you staring at there? Hey, you wanna go out? I want to, gusto ko hawakan yun. Kung parang fox na yun. Let's go. Let's try. Kanina pa siya umiinom. I'll try first. Hello. Hello. You look like a fox. Hi. Oh, ayaw niya. Nahiya. Walang tumabala mukha niya niya, oh. No. Para siyang lolong fox. Hello. You're so cute. Oh, there's the ginger. Ginger. Hello. Maamo tong isang to. How about you? Ne, nagpaano na yung fox? Wanna try? I know. Yeah. Dito lang. Go. Go, Star. Yan. Oh, para na sila tanan. Nakasettle na sila. Hello. Hello. Huh? You wanna go out now? Okay, wait a minute. Hala, ang cute talaga nung nasa. Yes, what are you looking at me? Where are we, Star?
There's like a lot of people.
There's a series of us behind us, right? This is so cute, right? How was it?
Yummy.
Really? How about this?
Tastes like banana.
You like it? Yeah, let's do that next time. You want this? You get, yeah. You can get this. You can dip it. You try. That's potato. Yeah, there. You want it? You see? I know you like dips. You love it? Good. Shall we slice this thing now? Okay, we're slicing this. Wow, that's crunchy.
Yeah.
You like it?
It's like a teaspoon.
Yeah. Yes. Get it. Yes, thank you. You try it. Go, Babash. It's a mozzarella cheese. What? That's cheesy.
After eating, I went to the cats again.
How was it?
Good. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bonus videos. Hello, Frankenfeld.
Like it, like
like,
it.
like. My favorite donut. Not sponsored. Just my favorite. Will you sponsor? Dunkin' Donut. Yummy! Chico to that. We are kind of barbarian. See you in my next vlog.